Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable machine translations in the Hostelworld application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And then click on the other button. And next to the machine translations section, click on the white circle. And once it turned green, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.